Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to create AI custom cards for NowBrief on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. So first of all, we have to open settings on the smartphone and now go to Galaxy AI menu. In this menu, you'll be able to find your NowBrief selected and then select custom cards. Now to be able to open this page, you're gonna have to install the additional module by Samsung, which is called personalized content intelligence or something like this. Anyway, you will be redirected to Samsung store where you'll be able to tap install and wait until this module is installed on your phone. Now to add a new module, you have to tap plus, then select one of the subjects for your personalized card. So you can use weather, health, or videos. Let's choose weather. Then we're gonna have to select which weather information we want to see. For example, activity forecasts, precipitation probability, 7 days forecasts, UV index, humidity, and pressure, for example. Then tap next. Then choose when to show this card. So preferably in the morning, right? And let's generate our AI prompt with a custom card that will be displayed every morning to us. Now I'm gonna have to wait until this card is created, and as you can see, we get a pretty detailed weather report, only focused on the things that we chose previously. And now all we have to do is just tap done, and that's it. Now we have our AI card included to our NowBrief. Now in content to include menu, you can check your custom cards and see which custom cards are included. And if you want to exclude some of them, just switch the toggle to the left next to the card you want to disable. And that's pretty much how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.